Welcome to Strike Victor. In the heart of the Balkans, where echoes of history still whisper through the clouds, Serbia rises again. This time with wings of fire and steel. It's 2026 and Serbia, a country known for resilience, pride, and strategic grit, is rewriting its air power story. Once grounded by sanctions and surrounded by NATO skies, Serbia now takes off. Its fleet reborn, its skies guarded, and its message clear. We will not be ignored. At the core of this rise is the upgraded MiG-29SM, a Cold War legend, modernized for tomorrow's wars. With advanced radar, extended range, and lethal precision-guided missiles, it may not be stealthy, but it doesn't have to be. It's loud, proud, and battle-hardened. But Serbia knows the future isn't built on nostalgia. That's why it's looking east to China. In a bold move, Belgrade secured the FK-3 surface-to-air missile system, a powerful cousin of the HQ-22. This isn't just air defense. It's a message to any adversary that Serbian skies are a no-fly zone. And then, there's the secretive drone program. Eyes in the sky, shadows in the clouds. Unconfirmed reports hint at indigenous UAVs built with foreign tech, a quiet revolution taking place above the Danube. Serbia isn't just importing power, it's building it. This isn't about aggression. It's about deterrence. It's not about domination. It's about survival. Serbia remembers the pain of conflict, but it also remembers how to stand. 2026 marks a turning point. With tactical jets patrolling the skies and modern missile shields guarding its cities, Serbia is no longer caught in the crossfire of global powers. It's shaping its own fate. To some, these jets may seem outdated, but to the Serbian people, they are symbols. Symbols of strength, of sovereignty, of never giving up. Because in Serbia, the fight is not about might. It's about soul. So the next time you look at a MiG-29 carving the sky over Belgrade, remember, this isn't just metal. It's history in motion. It's a nation flying forward. This is Serbia. This is Strike Victor. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for the skies, for the stories, for the soul of air power.